Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nurul Fatin Fasiha binti Norhambe. My number matrix is 07DKA20F1001. So today I will present the task 1. Task 1 is identify the catchment area and data required. So this is the catchment area and the data required. Figure 1 shows the catchment demarcation of peka reglet, yang bermaksud ini adalah persempadan tadahan di peka reglet. This is the input data precipitation data, iaitu data tadahan, di mana start date which is 21 December 2021 and the end date which is 21 December 2021. Ia bermula pada 21 Disember 2021 dan berakhir pada 21 Disember 2021. The start times which is start to 0 and end time which is 12. Yang bermaksud masa yang bermula adalah 0 dan juga masa berakhir adalah jam 12. The time interval which is 15 minutes. So this is the precipitation data, which is it is start with 0 and the precipitation is 0 and the last will be 12 and the precipitation which is will become 0. So this is the characteristic of reglet catchment, and the total of the length of subbridge which is 5216.7. Okey, seterusnya task 2. Task 2, kita perlu tekan component, create the component, kemudian kita tekan basin, tekan model, kita rename dan tekan create. Berdasarkan contoh di dalam paparan, untuk menghasilkan basin adalah dengan menekan sub basin dekat junction. Untuk connect antara sub basin dengan junction adalah dengan menekan right click dan connect downstream. Seterusnya, untuk menghasilkan metodologi, ini adalah langkah pertama. Langkah pertama adalah dengan menekan komponen pada bahagian atas, kemudian tekan create component, tekan metodologi, model manager. Lepas itu kita buat dua metodologi, iaitu 50 YRARI ARI dan 25 YR ARI. Kemudian kita tekan create. Paparan skrin akan menunjukkan precipitation dan komponen yang sudah dimasukkan dalam task 2. Skrin menunjukkan data metodologi model yang telah dibuat untuk mini project. Step keempat adalah simulation run, iaitu 25 ARI dan 50 ARI. Step pertama, kita create simulation baru untuk masukkan 25 ARI. Run ni bermaksud dia simulation untuk kasih tunjuk. Jadi run dia ni untuk simulation untuk kasih tunjuk. Kalau tekan 25 ARI akan nampak result macam dekat paparan ni, dan tekan create. Kemudian jadual akan dipaparkan seperti di dalam screen. Okay, ini adalah graph dan juga summary untuk 25 ARI. Dan ini adalah aliran dalam mililiter. Seterusnya ini adalah 50 ARI. Ini adalah menunjukkan keputusan global larian untuk setiap ARI. Okay, task 6. The use of hydrograph. The use of hydrograph. The purpose of using hydrograph is showing the rate of flow discharge versus time passed of specific point in a river or other channel or conduit carrying flow. It can also refer to a graph showing the volume of water reaching a particular outfall. Hydrographs are commonly used in the design of sewerage, more specifically the design of surface water sewerage systems and combined sewerage. The primary purpose of using hydrograph analysis is to ensure a safe design of structural works. Hydrographs are an integral part of SCS produced in the water design of structural works. Hydrograph or some feature of them such as peak discharge, rising climb like time to peak, and others of water control structure. 2. The importance of hydrograph. The importance of hydrograph shows how a river is affected by a storm. This helps to understand discharge patterns of a particular drainage basins and helps to predict flooding and plan flood prevention measure. Basically, a hydrograph shows you the ways in which a river is affected by a storm. The hydrograph theory has several advantages to its credit, which can be summarized as below. The first is flood hydrograph can be calculated with the help of very short record of data. Second, the unit hydrograph procedure can be computerized easily to facilitate calculation. Third is it is very useful in checking the reliability of flows obtained by using statistical method. And the fourth, in addition to peak flow, unit hydrograph also gives total volume of runoff and its time distributions. The impact of the climate change on the hydrograph. From the data, hydrograph in HEC HMS 4.10 have done analyzed that the impact of the climate change on the hydrograph can be inferred that the rainfall intensity are effect runoff amount and peak flow rate. Additionally, the type of storm is understorm produce peak flows on small basins, large cleonic or frontal. The type of storms determined in large basin.